Percy was taking some trucks up to Farquhar. He was making good time, but the train was heavy. He knew this, but it was time. Percy was set down the wrong line by accident. But the point was switched down. Where are we? Where are the boys? He crashed into the barge. Damn it, said Percy, as it wobbled from side to side. When the saddle tank was soon put back on the rails, Thomas wouldn't stop teasing him about. Fancy, Percy, you trying to do with me when you crashed down that barge. What a funny adventure. Oh my goodness. Trucks always give you trouble, don't you? Trust an engine like you to get the job well. The saddle tank was very cross. Well, you listen here, Thomas, said Percy. Those trucks give me trouble. And how about you try taking them for one, Maybe that'll show you something. Yeah, Thomas? You tell me now, mate. Well, Puffball can't do anything like that. I'll show you, Percy. You just wait and see. Now you listen. I can take those trucks easy peasy. You just see. In fact, I'll take them the next load. Oh, no. Looks like it's an everyday thing today, isn't it? Hello, everybody. Didn't know you were up to another of your arguments. What's it about today? Monsieur says he can take his stone trucks from the quarry easily. Stupid. I don't care about that. I need to go to the quarry, okay? See ya. Oh no, Toby. But Thomas here will be taking the load from. Okay, then I'll show you something, but. Well, it's quite boring, isn't it? What boring? We're in here. Yeah, not Toby, gosh, what's boring indeed. We'll teach him something. Power here, Toby. Yeah, because it's not Toby. It's Thomas. Wait, Thomas. Hello, trucks. Whatever that isn't it? Where's Toby? We want Toby. Oh, I believe you're mistaken today. I'm like no complaints. Go on. I wonder what you do. Stop. Oh, shut it and come on. Come on, you stupid things. I've got a plan. As they crossed the little line, the trucks prepared their plan. They were running up when suddenly, go on, and they dropped. Whoa, what are you doing? Shunting. After I do a tiny bit of trouble, I get reduced to doing shunting. It's a disgrace, I'll tell you. But at least I'll get to see the face of Thomas when he gets back with and what the hell's going on? Yeah, I need to go save Thomas, but he couldn't then. Thomas fell off the tracks and lay in the dirty ditch. Trucks giggled as the others laughed and laughed. This is not dignified at all, he said quietly. Percy responded quickly, and when he found Thomas in the state, he was very sad. He towed away the unhurt trucks and shunted them into a siding. He went to see Thomas and speak. Thomas, I'm sorry. If I hadn't challenged you to do that, you wouldn't have hurt yourself. It's all my fault. No, Percy, it's my fault. I shouldn't have been so stupid. I'm sorry, Percy. It's all my fault. I know it is. No, but Thomas, I put that idea in your head. I should never have done that. I'm so sorry, Thomas. You know? Thinking Spawn teach me a lesson, you know? Yeah, not to cross the pond again. Now I'll go get help. Goodbye. Okay, cheerio on. Cheerio on. At night in the sheds, the two engines spoke to each other like old friends. Percy, I'm very sorry for what I did. Can we be friends? Yes, Thomas. I'm glad it was rather stupid. For me, it wasn't a little pond again. Out the second time, it is, isn't it, Percy? Oh, yes, Thomas, it is. You like crashing into ponds, don't you? Feels like a hobby because you crashed them in that one time when you took trucks from James. That was so funny. Oh, come on, that was his own damn fault. He tricked me. That was a coincidence. It wasn't. Sure, Thomas, with your crash. I'm surprised the fucking girl still keeps you, isn't that right? Oh, come on, I'll tell you something, but the two engines argued on and on, but same reasons. I'm telling you it wasn't my fault, and I'm telling you, you're lying. Like, don't you lying? I'm not. No lying, Percy. You are. I know you are. God damn it, Percy.